everyone, this is Scott from the Elevated Bear. I'm your chief bartender, and today we're going to be making some simple syrup here. Very excited. This is not just any plain simple syrup, but it's going to be a vanilla simple syrup. So I want to go ahead and get 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Go in there. And got this cute little wooden spoon from my cute little saucepan. And we're just gonna let this do its thing here. Simple syrup is simple to make, great to have, and it lasts in your refrigerator for quite a while, at least 2 weeks. It's got a lot of practical applications. For those of you that drink your coffee or tea with some sweetener, simple syrup's great for that. But it is also great for just adding to your ENABs or mocktails. So basic simple syrup is literally just sugar and water that's dissolved together. We are going to be making a vanilla simple syrup, and so I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons to this concoction of vanilla extract. This is one of those things where you don't want to use imitation. Use the real thing, and if you're feeling a little extra, use vanilla paste. That would be pretty cool. As you probably can tell, the simple syrup has become clear, so that's good. You want that. You want to store your simple syrup in an airtight container. You could easily reuse a jar that you used for something else like jam or jelly, or you can get mason jars. It's up to you. Yeah, there are a lot of things you can add to simple syrup to make it more fun and festive. Like I said, this is going to be a vanilla simple syrup, but you can add herbs to it as well. You do a thyme simple syrup, mint simple syrup. It's really just up to your imagination. So I would encourage you to have some fun with it. And like I said, they last quite a while, and they have practical applications beyond just adding to your ENABs or your mocktails. So you can see that the sugar is completely dissolved in the water here. And now I am going to go ahead and add our 2 teaspoons of vanilla there. Let that melt in. And the key here is you want to let those flavors mingle together. So I'm going to turn off the heat now and just let that vanilla get in there and do its magic. If you were using an herb like thyme, or if you're using mint leaves, you'd let it simmer for about maybe 20 minutes, and then you'd remove the herbs from there and pour into your container. So that is the simple way to make simple syrup. Stay tuned. Later today I'll be making a really fun beverage that I'll be sharing, and I will elevate my glass to you then. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'm curious, in the comments below, tell me, what kind of syrup would you like to see next, or what kind of simple syrup are you thinking about making? I'm all ears.